Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I want to share with you like a super motivating weekend. So I have lots of things that I need to do and I want to get done, and so I'm looking at sort of getting the gardening done, even just sort of decluttering the garage and just ticking some of that stuff off the to-do list. So if that's what you guys you need that motivation, especially if you're still in lockdown, then this sort of stuff is what you can get done around the house. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Of course, if you do, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course turn on the notification bells so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So I'm just going to start off my morning. I'm just going to go for a quick run on the treadmill. The house is not amazing, but I want to just get the outside done before I even bother about the inside. So let's get stuck into today.
Holding my head again, making my way through crowded thoughts. Sometimes it's hard to get out of it. Broke my heart in the dark. I was just trying to feel something, falling asleep to the sound of it. Always used to let you clean up the messes, down on my knees, thought I couldn't stand up on my own. Turns out sometimes you're stronger alone.
Okay, so I've showered, I'm all clean. Yes, I did wear this jumper for a couple of minutes on the treadmill. I did end up stripping it off, so it's not sweaty and gross, but it'd be gross by today anyway, so I'm not too worried. And we're just gonna do, I'm just gonna show you now my state of my garden. I feel like this is like, I did this at the start of the year. You would have seen it was not in a good state, and I put this little, routine in place where every like Saturday, Sunday morning I'd just go out and do like an hour's gardening, and it was working really well until the winter come. And then I got some Roundup and I was able to maintain it a little bit by then, but then the Roundup ran out and then that was it. I went to buy more and it was like $100 for the one that I was looking at anyway. It was so expensive, and I get it for free from my dad, so I was like, I'll just wait. And it just never happened with lockdown and everything. So anyway, I'm going to quickly go around and show you what we're dealing with. So as you can see, like even the footpath is like covered in grass all along here, just weeds. And then in here, more weeds. I don't even have dirt in flower in the garden beds, it's just grass. And this is the side, so I've only got a few weeds in there. This is, I've just got a new aircon, so this is all that I need to get to the tip. All this grass behind here. Like, I cut down a heap of these yuccas because I want to be able to park my car in the driveway again. So that's another job for another day, but I will continue to do that. But yeah, I might just continue to weed this and weed this. This side's starting to get feral again, unfortunately. And this was looking so good because the reason why it's not as bad as the other bit is because I did the Roundup on this last time and then I ran out, so I wasn't able to do the front. So this is not as bad as the front. So if you like really good before and after like shots and videos, then this video hopefully will be for you. I'm hoping to do some really good before and afters today and just feel like I've really accomplished something. So yeah, let's get stuck into the gardening and then we'll get on to the next project.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side. Yeah, that's until the day I die.
Okay, so this is how it's turned out. I've like half filled the bin, so there's still heaps more to be done. But, it's a start. I haven't even done much over there. I just started. Oh, that is a driveway. There's a big spider in one of these big clumps over here that's still up there, and I'm like, I'll come back to that one later. But yeah, I'll suck it up later and I'll get back to it. And I'll show you down here. And this is down here. That looks so much better. It's just completely weeded, so that's good, really good. Unfortunately, I can't give you a big massive look at it through the driveway because there's like stuff that's got to go to the tip and all that sort of stuff here.
There's no such thing as time when we. You don't have to say anything.
Okay, so now I'm just going to upload some stuff. I have stuff that I want to just put out the front and an H strip. To be honest, because we're in that like low socioeconomic area, a lot of stuff just goes that I put out the front. So I don't know, if I didn't have anything myself, I'd probably take it. So yeah, it's not beyond use, so I think it's better off putting out the front and then someone can have it. If they don't want it, I'm just going to bring it back inside in a couple of days and then I'll put it in the tip. I went to put the cushions out and look at Mama Redback. Oh, where are you? Can we zoom in a little bit? Little sucker there. Ooh. Yeah. I don't know if there's babies there too. Okay, so before I keep going on with this decluttering, because I really should have showed you more of it before I even started doing this anyway, I thought I'd quickly give you now a before. Some of this stuff, obviously a lot of it I'm going to be keeping, so I am going to be doing a whole garage organization video, which I did mention to you guys a while ago, and I'm not going to do it as a full video, so you'll probably see, you know, the shelving go up and everything go on there, and then you might see other parts of it transform because I'm going to do like a little gym area. I want to do like a little DIY area for myself, and then I also want to make like a kids play area in here, so then when I am doing stuff in here, Talia's got a little spot for her as well. So yeah, so I really should have spider bombed this first before I even touched anything, but I do spider bomb it once every few months, so there will be spiders in here. I know that. I did see a big redback before, as you guys know, but yeah, let's just keep going on with it. I'll quickly show you a bit of a before. So this is a bit of a before because I've obviously cleaned up all that spot that's over there. So yeah, basically all I'm doing now, because I have decluttered like a lot of the rubbish out of here, I am just going to try and put things into piles of like, you know, sporting wear, and then like Christmas, all that sort of stuff. Some of this isn't even mine, so yeah, I'm just gonna try and get through it. Yeah, whoa, it's a lot of stuff, hey?
When you call me, is it gonna go? I hear it running through my blood. If you feel it, then I don't stand a chance.
Now you wouldn't believe it. This is the end result. Like obviously I can't get rid of that if I put that out in the driveway with the rest of the tip rubbish. It is going to get wet and soggy and it's going to be impossible to move, so just left it in here. Anyway, I have Christmas here, I have some sporting and just some miscellaneous. Over here, this behind here is literally those two buckets at the bottom are actually not mine, they're Talia's dad's, and so is that mood board. And then on the top here I've got old organisation products I'm not using, so I will use them in someone's house soon, I think. Here is Talia's toys that you saw me declutter the other day, so this was for her toy rotation. Then I have some Lego that she hasn't grown into. I got given this and it was too good to knock back, because if you saw what it was like all Rapunzel and all that was really good. Then I have gardening, a DIY project that has not gone anywhere. Some more gardening stuff there. Here is all the tiling stuff. Along the back here is my back fence, and there's a couple of doors that actually need to go to my sister's. More plasterboard and cement sheeting. This will all get used because obviously I need to finish renovating. And then I have the tabletop, which I've been doing up. Because of the weather I haven't been able to finish that, but you'll see that when I do that. Then I've got paints over here and in here, which is actually looking a little bit messy now because I have obviously added stuff to this, but this is in here, which was the only part that was like has some sort of organization to it. So yeah, I will be redoing all this anyway when I do my shed organization. So yeah, I think that is a damn sight better, like heaps better. It's gonna be so much easier when I actually go in and do the full organization, because majority of this is decluttered. So yes, I hope you guys feel inspired to, you know, get out and get things done, because it just looks so much better. And yeah, that's my rubbish pile out there. I'm gonna put the ladder back in the shed, but that's the only thing that's coming back in. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you feel really motivated by this video to, you know, get some stuff done around the home, which I think I've said many times before on my channel. This channel is all about being home improvement, and sometimes it doesn't have to cost you any money just to get things done around the home, and especially if you've got the time, if you're in lockdown as well, it's a great opportunity to get these things done. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and if you do want to see more from me, of course I do have a Facebook and an Instagram page where you can catch me throughout the week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week for a new video. See you then, bye.